down, down, down. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, put your hands together. I saw my friend Bobby, he said, what's up, man? You got a little work on 20 to lend. I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They could take away my job, but now my friends, you see. Here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sign of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sign of sunshine coming down. Boy, then put your hands up high. Here we go now. I wanna go with the summer never ends. I get you on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot, the waves in motion. Everything smell like champagne lotion, the ocean. And the girl so sweet. So kick off the shoes and relax with me. And say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single song needs a little release. Stereo coming to the summers now. I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sign of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sign of sunshine coming down. Jay, put a guitar. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. Make some noise! And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Bring it down low, please. Tell everybody your name.
My name is Aiden.
Give it up for Aiden, y'all. You want to? Where are you from, Aiden?
What?
Where are you from?
I was born in Washington.
And where do you live now?
What?
Where do you live now?
I live in Oregon now.
What town do you live in?
What?
What city do you live in?
I live in Tigard.
You ready to hear Aiden sing? Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready to sing?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's the sound
of sunshine coming down.
sunshine coming down. One more time. That's the sound of sunshine. You got it. One more time. That's the sound
of sunshine coming down.
I want to see you all jump in. Come on. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Last time I did, ready? That's the
sound of sunshine coming down.
Give it up for Aiden from Tiger. That was awesome. Here we go.